Once you have cut the V into the crack, you heat up your filler rod until it is sticky. Then you heat up your product, your crack, until that is sticky. Once they are both sticky, you will find that they will adhere to each other. And then slowly heating both the product as well as the welding rod up together simultaneously, we stick it down. You will see the plastic will turn shiny when it starts melting. Just keep on. It is also recommended that you do the inside as well as the outside of the tank when you weld, if possible. Once it is stuck down, you can heat it up again with a smooth piece of steel and just blend the plastic in and make doubly sure that it is stuck. And it is as simple as that.